Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can apply on LinkedIn job. If you want to apply any job on LinkedIn, so you can also do that. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can apply on that. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open the LinkedIn website. So we are going to open that. So as you can see, I have opened the LinkedIn website. So as you can see, you will see some options here like my network, jobs and messaging, and all the details are provided here. We are going to click on the job section because we want to apply on the job, and after clicking on the job section, you will see the jobs related to your profile. You have entered your experience, educations and skills. You will see the jobs similar to them. So as you can see, here's the job for the graphic designer, and it's remote. You can work from home, and it's easy apply. You have to click on this. For example, we are going to apply on this, so we have to click on this. So as you can see, now what we need to do, we have to click on the easy apply. Easy apply means you can apply. It will use your profile details like your skills and experience, and it will apply through those details. So you have to click on the easy apply, and after clicking on this, you have to click on the next. You have to select your profile. For example, I'm going to select this one, and now we have to click on the next. And after clicking on next, it will ask you some questions. Have you completed the following levels of education? You have to answer some questions. So I'm going to write the answer of these questions. For example, I'm going to write the 3 and the 5. Now we have to click on the review. You have to review all the details, and now you have to click on the submit application, and the application is submitted. And now we are going to cut it. So in this way, you can apply on any job in LinkedIn. If you want to apply on this one, you can also do that. In the same way, you have to apply this. So in this way, you can apply the job. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can apply in the job on the LinkedIn. So see you guys in the next video.